So we saw combination reaction. The exact opposite of it is decomposition reaction. Now the meaning comes from the name itself. So in decomposition reaction, a complex reactant, that means a compound, will break down into more than one products. In combination reaction, we saw that more than one reactant is needed to form the product. While in decomposition reaction, one reactant has to give me more than one product. Now, a compound can be broken down only if we give it energy so that it gives off more than one product. So, this kind of reaction where I need to give energy to this reactant so that it undergoes a decomposition reaction is called endothermic reaction. So, energy is being used up in this kind of reaction. Let us look at some of the examples now. Here, what you see in this picture is a green colored compound, that is iron sulfate. Now, this is a salt because it is made up of. Now, when do I say that something is a salt? When it has two components, cation and anion. Now, what is cation? Cation is the positively charged ion, while anion is the negatively charged ion. Here in FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate, cation is iron ion, while sulfate iron, that is SO4 2 minus, is anion. Now, as you can see, 2 plus and 2 minus cancel each other and it becomes FeSO4. Now, this is a green colored powder. Now, these experiments are done in lab, that I take FeSO4, which is green in color. Now, when this reactant is given heat, it undergoes a kind of decomposition in which Fe2O3, that is from ferrous sulfate, it is decomposed to ferric oxide and we get some very sharp smell of SO3 plus SO2. Now, these two are the gas. Now, these two are the gaseous product, while this is one of the solid product that is formed, while these two are gases. Now, as you can see, one complex compound is giving me more than one product, be it solid or gas or anything. It is giving me more than one product. So, I call this kind of reaction decomposition reaction. Also note down that I am giving heat to this reactant so that this reaction takes place. So, this kind of decomposition reaction where I am giving heat and this reaction is undergoing, I will call it thermal decomposition. Thermal means heat. So, due to heat energy, this reaction is taking place. And this is a kind of decomposition reaction. Now, let us take another example for decomposition reaction. That is a very common phenomena. Now, remember I told you about a reaction in which the whitewash that is done in your house, that compound, that is CaCO3 is formed. How did it get formed? Now, how is this formed? When I added CO2 to slaked lime. So, this was a kind of combination reaction. And this was formed by the reaction of quicklime with water. This is a very important reaction, that is formation of slaked lime from quicklime and then formation of calcium carbonate. So this was combination reaction. Now suppose that I have this CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate, and I want my initial reactant, that is CaO, because this has wide number of applications. It is used to make cement as well. So this CaO, that is quicklime, has application in cement industry, which is a very large scale industry. Now for example, that I have CaCO3 and I want to get my initial reactant, that is CaO. So what do? This should undergo decomposition reaction in order for me to get CaO. So what happens is CaCO3 in the presence of heat gives me CaO plus CO2. That is gas. This is solid, also known as quicklime. Now I hope you can see the difference between these two reactions clearly. The first reaction is of combination type, while second reaction is decomposition, in which my one reactant is giving me more than one product. Now let me take another example. This is a kind of reaction that is used in photography as well. That is in black and white photography. The example is again of decomposition reaction. In this reaction, my initial reactant is AgCl, which is photosensitive in nature. Means it is sensitive to light energy. Now, suppose in a china dish, I am taking AgCl, which is a white colored powder. This is silver chloride. Now, when light falls on it, what I get is a grey product. What is this grey colored product? It is Ag. That is silver metal plus chlorine gas will be released. And this dark substance is used in making film. That is the layer, which is used in photography. So this is one of the application of the decomposition reaction that is taking place here, in which one product is giving me more than one reactant. So we saw decomposition reaction.
If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe for all our future videos.